Hello and welcome back to my channel of Created Analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let us discuss the gold analysis for yesterday from where we left off, and we were discussing this pair market was trending over here, and we marked this short-term area of support and this short-term area of resistance. Our support area was clearly broken, and market went down, and then once again market went up from our second or rather third support. Okay, so now how much profit would we have made? So let me take the position. For example, if you guys would have taken a short position from here, then you guys would have made approximately 0.8% profit from this next setup. And if you guys would have taken a long entry, then you guys would have had your stop loss in the very next candle, which will be minus 1%. And once market once again closed below this area, if you guys would have taken an entry over here, the stop loss will be just above this area, and your take profit would be approximately over here, so 1.8% profit in this trade. And if you guys would have taken a sell entry upon confirmation, then your stop loss would be approximately over here, and your take profit will be approximately over here, so 7.8% profit would have come to your way from here. And if you guys were vigilant, and once market closed above this zone, then you guys could take a buy entry from here. Okay, so now let me remove the previous day scenarios and let me discuss fresh scenarios with you guys, so you guys do not miss on any of the potential profits that could come to your way tomorrow. Okay, so the areas marked are going to remain same. This area is now going to turn into an area of resistance. Okay, so now how are we going to trade? So this support is clearly okay, and the resistance will be this area. Okay, so let me let me just mark the closest area for you guys, which will be this area. Okay, so this area will be an area of resistance. Okay, so yes, something like this. So how are we going to take the trade? So that is very simple. So for example, if market has this area of resistance, then we will sell this pair. And if market just simply closes below our short-term support, then we will sell this pair straight away. And similarly, market closes below our support area, and then market retests our support area, then we will sell this pair upon a retest. And alternatively, if market just simply tests our support area and market closes above the area, then we will buy this pair from here. And similarly, if market just simply closes above this area of resistance, then we will buy this pair straight away. And alternatively, if market closes above this area of resistance and market tests this area, then market once again closes above this area of resistance, and we will buy this pair from here, something like this. Okay, so these will be the scenarios for tomorrow. I hope you guys have an amazing and profitable trading day tomorrow. If you guys want to know anything further, just let me know in the comment section.